Hey weirdos, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back. Welcome in general if you're new. I'm Marlakris. I am so glad you're here. I have some new stuff to play with. I cannot wait to share this with you. This is from the Mad Dipper. Now, this is a company very new to me. This is a first impression, first experience. I was introduced to the Mad Dipper when I did my Safe Space fundraiser event thing. She reached out to me. She wanted to donate, and then she inquired about doing a video with me. So we chatted, we collaborated, and she sent me a bunch of goodies to play with, and I am so obsessed with the finished look. Y'all just wait. So she sent over a little goodie bag. It comes with her information. It came with this oopsie color, which I wanted to use so badly. My camera does not do it justice. It is so stunningly beautiful. I will be playing with that at a later date. It came with this adorable sticker. Y'all know how I feel about cheetah print. Came with a little buffer, a little file, and a plastic cuticle tool. I thought this was so genius. I don't know why more companies don't just throw that in, because if you're like me, you have to use a cuticle tool when you're doing your nails. So I'm going to let you take a peek at the colors I was sent, and I'll come back and we're going to get started on the manicure. So as much as I wanted to use that oopsie glitter, I'm going to leave it for a moment, and I'm going to dive into two different colors. The gorgeous pink, I'm wearing it right now and I'm looking at it, and it appears to be a very fine flaky. It's so beautiful. Wait till you see it on the nail. And I'm going to pair it with the glitter. And the glitter literally stole my heart. This manicure, you're going to see it all play out. It is giving like Disney princess bridal vibes. I am so obsessed. We're going to do a little, not diagonal. Do I know shapes and lines? A vertical glitter ombre a little bit later. But my first impression on this dip powder, it is so full coverage. Are you even serious? I am in love. Yes, it is dense. It is packed with pigment and flakies and microfine glitter, but it is so full coverage and so easy to work with. Absolutely love this shade. I consider doing an entire hand of only this shade, and it would have been beautiful. But we're gonna shake things up with another glitter here in a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove all the excess with my stiff bristled scrubby brush. And then here is what the dip looks like in one coat. I went ahead and did a second coat. Here is that with the excess removed. And we're gonna move on to this glitter. I have so much to talk about. This glitter kind of blew my mind a little bit. First of all, if you love the look of chunky glitter, but you don't like applying chunky glitter, this one you would really like. I love the consistency of this glitter. It is not chunky whatsoever. It is a mix between micro fine glitter and like a medium texture glitter. There are no big chunks. You don't have to hand place anything. I'm pouring over, which typically will give me a lighter coverage. And I was super prepared for sparse areas on the nail that didn't have a whole lot of glitter. I could not have been more wrong. This is so beautiful on the nail. If you love that look of that full coverage chunky glitter, but you don't want to mess with it, I understand. I am one of you. You would really love this glitter. It is a winner, 100% winner. And honestly, my favorite in all the colors that Regina sent over to me. Thank you, by the way, to Regina of the Mad Dipper for sponsoring this video. I super appreciate that, and thank you for allowing me to continue to make content for y'all. So 2 coats of that glitter. I'm going to go back in and dip the rest of my nails in that beautiful soft pink flaky, you know what I mean. And then we're going to do a little glitter ombre action. I'm going to show you how I do it here in a bit. So let's get into this gorgeous glitter ombre. I'm so happy with the way this came out. It is so stunningly beautiful. I'm going to start the way I normally would if I were doing a regular dip nail. I'm going to put the base. I am using Manny Boss dip liquids for this, by the way. They'll be linked down below for you guys if you want to grab them. I've been really liking them lately. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the base to the entire nail, cuticle to free edge. And then I'm going to take a fluffy eyeshadow brush. You can use any brush you have on hand. Typically, I like the Wet n Wild brushes from Amazon, only because they're like $1. I don't know how much this one was. If I can find it, I will link it for you. And I'm going to pick up that light pink foil flaky goodness, and I'm going to get that on half the nail. I really want to focus this on the sidewall area, mostly on my skin. And then gradually, as I have less product on the brush, I will fade that into the center of the nail. When I'm done with that, I'm going to tap off excess, reevaluate, figure out if I need more, if I can go in with the glitter. I wanted a little bit more coverage on the pink flaky, so I'm going to get that on. Then I'm going to, again, tap off excess, and I'm going to grab up some of that beautiful glitter and fill in the rest of the nail. And then I'm going to, of course, remove excess with my stiff scrubby brush, go in for coat number 2. Coat number 2 is going to be the exact same thing. You can choose to alternate colors if you want to. I didn't find that necessary. I find with glitter, the ombre fade is much more easy to accomplish than with a solid ombre. If you were doing a solid, you would definitely want to alternate the colors to get that nice seamless blend. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up this nail. I'm going to dip everything into clear, make sure it's all nice and smooth. I'm going to file and buff off camera, but per usual, I will leave all my filing and buffing stuff either up in the cards or down in the description box for you to check out. And then all you have to do is top coat. So here's what we're looking like. I went ahead and did my filing, buffing, shaping, the whole thing. I did not even use an e-file. I hand filed the entire thing because it was really that simple. It didn't require any effort on my part, which I appreciate. The less work I gotta do, the better. I don't know if you heard the school bus passing in front of me. I am sitting in the park waiting for my kids to get out of school. Marla in the field. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, top coat all of the nails. I'm gonna let you watch the glossy top coat moment wait till you see the glitter. So here's the finished look. I could not be happier with these products, with the way this came out. Absolutely in love. This glitter is giving me life, like total Disney princess bridal vibes. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to go ahead and finish up with some Candi Skin Care cuticle oil. Of course, this is Hot Mess Marla. Part of the proceeds for this particular fragrance oil from Candi Skin Care is being donated to the Mental Health Foundation this month, in the month of May. So if you want to support a great organization and hydrate your skin and nails in the process, I will leave that down below for you to check out. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. You'll have to let me know if you have tried dips from the Mad Dipper, or if you want to, I will make sure to leave all of her info down below for you guys. Y'all, I'm running out of words. Thank you again to Regina from the Mad Dipper for sending me these absolutely beautiful dippies and for sponsoring the video. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, spending a little bit of your day with me. That means so much to me, truly. I hope you have a day that's as beautiful as you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Love you, bye.